It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to solve the equation sine of alpha equals 0.7 within the domain 0 to 360 degrees. First things first, we are in degrees. So that means your first task should be to make sure that your calculator is also in degree mode, not radian mode. All right, we're going to quickly move through this. I'm going to start by taking the arc sine of both sides, or the inverse sine. Okay. When I take the inverse sine of the sine of alpha, I get alpha out. When I take the inverse sine of 0.7, that means I'm putting that value into my calculator. I get 44.43 degrees. So that is my first solution within 0 to 360 degrees. I just want us to remember that the graph of sine looks something like this, a little more symmetrical than that. This is 180 degrees. This is 360 degrees. Our highest point is 1. Our lowest point is -1, also referred to as maximums and minimums instead of the highest and lowest point. What we know is that we are looking for a value of 0.7. That means we are looking where the line y equals 0.7 would go. And I know that that's right about here. So our solutions are going to be between 0 and 180 degrees. And I am going to have two of them. I've got one right here and one right here. This is the one we just found, the 44.43 degrees. Because they both have to happen within 180 degrees, I'm going to use my property to find my other value. I'm going to say alpha equals 180 minus the value we just got, which is 44.43 degrees. And when I do that, I get my second value of 135.57 degrees, and that equals alpha, and that is my second value. I know there are no other values because I have my graph, and I know that within 360 degrees, I only have two values that will make this equation true. To double check, which I always recommend, go ahead and pop 44.43 degrees in for alpha, and you should get out approximately 0.7 since we rounded. You should do the same thing with your second value, just to be sure that you didn't make a calculation error. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.